What have you say about it?
Some what me know hear about it. I like me panic them
Can't hear what going on now. Acting I say Vegas to close some face cause last year close it. And Vegas attack and say yo Ray. Acting shouldn't.
Vegas is a fish. You can't close anything.
Welcome back, guys. So in today's topic, we are going to talk about Mr. Vegas' reaction to one long time Tony Matterhorn and DJ Frost video. Also, we are going to talk about Romeich's youngest child. You don't know him going good from here, so the highlights them of the day. Also, we are going to talk about Cardi B gift to her boyfriend that are offset, so subscribe. Alright peeps, so we are going to kick it off with Romeich. You don't know, he make a post earlier with a one child. You see me and tagged in the description, Sky L Major. So I must use Sky she name basically. So he might go on good segue, you know, but you were funny about it. Shenzia comment and say, yo, mines. You see it and the man say, yes, godmother. You're a little princess, LOL. I mean, you don't know she a drama, you know, but the real mother comment actually, you see me guys. But him go on good giveaways from years start even end of the year, said when Bina get to the community and thing. And we can at least say, yo, this man is a big deal. A Jamaica said, you see me, so big up yourself, you see me. Yeah man people, so in the next topic, Cardi B gave her boyfriend offset. Her boyfriend called them the divorce, but them still together basically guys. So end of the day she gave him a $2 million check guys, and she said him literally got all like guys. You see me, that are like yo $2 million US guys, we not exaggerate, but that a good amount of money basically guys in US dollars. That are like $250 million, and that are just a birthday gift. Just made it. We all live rough out there, and I'm not going to tell no lie, because where we are work for, you know, we can't take the money they give people, you know, but end of the day still, guys, it's a good look, because you don't know, and probably give her more, because you know the lifestyle, or you live over them place there, you see me? What do you want piece of the apple from what day, you know? Yes. Right now, I want a girlfriend like that, where you there. Yeah, man, link me on Wull there. You can find me on Instagram. Joke me, I met man, but if I did it forward. Yeah guys, anyways, so Mr. Vegas react to a video a long time one, and all the topic basically build up a base round this a brother DJ Frost. You see me, Tony Matterhorn will always be Tony Matterhorn, so I'm gonna talk for him and things and anything will happen. You see me, but when you check your level still, I have to share the video with Uno for Uno understand. You see me? So Uno see what I go and for yourself.
What have you say about it?
Some what me know hear about it. I like me panic them.
Can't hear what going on now. Acting I say Vegas to close some face cause last year close it. And Vegas attack and say yo Ray. Acting shouldn't.
Vegas is a fish. You can't close anything. What the problem? Who not go like no years of Vegas a fish? Vegas is a fish.
Them want go run here so them something attack, you know.
I not go like
where you go?
You see me try to
your camera them, where you go?
Listen me. So where you go? You see we do no Jamaicans, so not hypocrite. On the can't stay on the course and hold on the thing.
Me and Vegas is good. And me and Vegas not have no problem.
Me and Vegas don't have no problem. But
No,
I can't
me never see Vegas with no man in on the bed or nothing.
But we never see nobody with no man.
Me nah, so me not accuse no man of being.
But we don't need to see Vegas with a man in a bed. I got islands. I want to got islands so the people say, oh God, boy, Vegas was down there with this man, you know, boy. I don't know.
Me never hear nothing like that before.
Well, me hear that. So what you say?
Yeah, hear what? Me not have no problem with Vegas.
Me not have no problem with Vegas.
Yo, a Vegas first make him go foreign, you know.
Yeah, man, a Vegas.
So yo,
no, a Vegas, me get visa.
yeah, so you go and like say, yo.
So you never want a Vegas guy?
Yeah,
No, a delicious vinyl visa, me get.
Delicious
A
vinyl.
delicious vinyl visa, me get. No, a delicious vinyl visa, me get.
You're in for the take.
No, but you say, I want
You,
this.
don't say nothing bad about Vegas.
Me not in for not yet, man.
Don't say nothing bad about Vegas.
Yeah, man.
Hold on,
Vegas.
hold on.
Yes.
Hold on, remember Vegas in the first 100,000, you know.
Hold on.
Remember Vegas, hold on. Remember
Yeah, man.
Vegas, see them used to walk up and now and give away now.
Yeah, man. Me know.
Remember me used to be the industry you would
Me know.
You know the things that go on behind the closed door with Vegas.
No, me not know. Me never did it.
Them lock you up.
Me not know. Them lock me out the door. Me not know what go on. Me not do a close.
When me what's the man?
Me not know that. Me not know what the man I do.
Ladies and gentlemen of the jury, he's lying.
Not in for not yet, man.
Don't say nothing bad about Vegas.
Yeah, man.
Hold on,
Vegas.
hold on.
Yes.
Hold on, remember Vegas in the first 100,000, you know.
Hold on.
Remember Vegas, hold on. Remember
Yeah, man.
Vegas, see them used to walk up and now and give away now.
Yeah, man. Me know.
Remember me used to be the industry you would
Me know.
You know the things that go on behind the closed door with Vegas.
No, me not know. Me never did it.
Them lock you up.
Me not know. Them lock me out the door. Me not know what go on. Me not do a close.
When
Me
me
never
them
did
lock
it.
you out of the door, that means say you accuse the man.
That mean what do
You
you do?
accuse the man.
Me not know that. Me not know what the man I do.
Ladies and gentlemen of the jury, he's lying.
That one of them talk your mind. Stein aka Brown God. The war goes.
Alright. Remember say, you know. There's a trap him a try set, you know. Him a try set a trap to start a conversation about me acting. Zin? Cause you look at discrepancies where I go at me acting. So through my record I acting now. And in my part I acting now, him a try stir up a little thing now for me acting. About me acting, see? So me and Maggie them time they did a go at it. See? Cause Maggie they do a song and I call me name. And then me go see Maggie put on a wig and me a burn out Maggie and I say, yo, Maggie a tranny, if you put on the wig. See? So me and Maggie I go at it. You see? So him a go to Maggie now and ask Maggie and I ask them on camera now. If they don't hear what when me did say about I acting. Remember say, you know. It's a journey him depends so him even get to know I acting, you know. That's why I'm going to the synopsis, you know. For him get to I acting, you know. Remember say, him a come from nothing to I acting, you know. And upon him journey, he may have to pass Lexus, Vegas, or come forward through the lineage, right? To get to I acting. Or through him journey, when I tried it. See him? So him reach a I acting now and him decide say, yo, boom, him a go bring up, stir up animosity now, further animosity with me and I acting, see him? True him in defense of I acting now, because him a acting good now. But what hurt me the most out of this now, people, and I hears it hurt me. I may ask him and hear him after that and everything. But when them send it back to me, I realized, oh, me hear some people. I see how some people are ungrateful when they come on to it, even the same argument when they make what they about Shabba and Sean Paul them and Shaggy them. I realize it's a disease where Jamaican people have them ungrateful and them forgetful. Them conveniently, them selective in a way them member. See? Here what hurt me the most about this now. When Demarco get up for walk way, cause Demarco and me good. The man call back Demarco and I say, where you run go, you a hypocrite. See? Demarco forward. So when Maggie start talk now, the man a try distance himself from me. You hear the man say? When Maggie start talking, you know, and I go on him semantics, you know. Demarco come forward and say, yo, oh yeah, this Vegas. And a Vegas first make a go offering. You hear the man say? A delicious vinyl visa him travel pan. Him not even know which label name say, you know. Man say a delicious vinyl visa in travel pan. So it now have nothing to do with me. Basically man make sure say, yo, him distance himself from me, cause when Maggie say. And him no want nobody know say him associated with me. Zane, so him a distance himself. Say a delicious vinyl visa in travel pan. Him not even know which company name say, you know. So all of a sudden him forgot when me take him passport and pay for the petition and tell him to go to embassy and all of them something there. You see? So here we want to him now. He might try to dig a hole for me and him dropping at the hole. Because when DeMarco call him out now and say, oh yeah, this Vegas. And a Vegas first make you fly. Go foreign. And Vegas, I first man give money in a yarn. He start confess now say Vegas give him 100,000 and hey. So when Magic said to the man say, oh, so you're in for the take. Because of course you take money from Vegas. See? Man said, no, me no in for no take, me no in for no take. Not, where you talk say Maggie? Here's me around Vegas and me never see them man there yet and no funny thing. Vegas send me a line, me I go drop off all food for him woman. Never said that.